It's March 10th, 2012. You are 20, let's see, you're 5 months and you're 20, I think, 4 weeks old. And we just came from the breast cancer run. I finished the race in 28 minutes and you slept the whole time. You were amazing. You loved watching all the runners and you listened to music. And now I think you're trying to say, I love you. Are you trying to say, I love you? I love you. I love you. So we got up at 6:30 this morning, had an early breakfast, got in the car, and you did great. And I'm so proud of you and of me. And we're going to try to do that run almost every year because it means a lot to me. And I told Daddy this morning that I think I gave birth to an angel. Jada? Yes. I think that you are an angel. You have so much to say. What else? Say, I love you. I love you. All right. All right. All right, my little angel. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Wave. Say bye-bye. I love you. All right. Bye.